to Seany's Ultimate Adventures. Today we're going to be making corn fritters. The recipe consists of 1 egg, creamed corn, 3/4 cup of self-raising flour, some butter, and salt and pepper to add in the flavour. Alright, today we're going to double the recipe because I'm fucking starving. So we're going to have two cans of creamed corn, 1.5 cups of flour, bit of salt and pepper, some butter, 2 eggs. Alright, let's fire away.
Put in 2 eggs. Alright, we'll add the flour. Two cups of cream corn. I always wondered what you use cream corn for, like one of those things you buy. What do you actually cook with cream corn? So here we go. It's a pretty easy recipe. Just zoom in on here. Wait a sec.
Yeah, it says lightly beat, but I'm too lazy, so we're going to put it in the cake mixer. We'll let that go for a couple of minutes. Okay, our corn fritters have been mixing for a couple of minutes now. We'll take them off. You want to get the consistency like that, like a pancake mix. Okay, we've put some butter in the pan, it's nearly melted. And we're going to put a little bit of creamed corn, like little patties, like pancakes. We're going to do a few of them to start off with. Use a couple of teaspoons if you got to. Is that alright? Yeah, probably about that size. Looks pretty good. Okay, we're going to let that cook for a while till they get pretty well browned up like a pancake. Then we're going to flip them. Okay, we're about to flip them. Another thing, add salt and pepper. I forgot to put salt and pepper in it. I've sprinkled a little bit on here and I've added some to the mix. Make sure you pinch of salt and pepper in the mix. Alright, we're ready to flip these bad boys.
Bit of a tricky one, these. Squash them down. Yeah. Give them a bit of a squash. Pretty much identical to cooking pancakes. Push them down. Wait a minute. Alright, we'll let them cook for a few minutes.
Alright, we're going to do a few more now. I think we've made enough to cook the whole neighbourhood, but beautiful sweet corn fritters. This is the end result. Look at that. Fantastic. I'm going to eat all that myself, I reckon. So we'll keep cooking and we'll see you guys later. And the end result's delicious. For such a basic meal, it's pretty good. Catch us later.